Hello guys, how are you doing? Hope you are doing well. In this video, I just want to show a simple trick to block any websites in your PC. Actually, I saw on YouTube like there are a lot of videos which are suggesting you to install some kind of third-party softwares. Actually, you don't need to install any third-party software to block a website. There is some simple trick through which you can simply block any website. I will show the trick. For that, what you have to do is, like in the search bar, enter command prompt. Like you have to run it as an administrator. Yes. Okay, before doing the trick, let us check for the websites which we want to block. I here opened YouTube, one video. It's some kind of video. Yeah, it's playing. And I also open Instagram. Let's play a video just to see it's working. Okay. Now the trick is in the command prompt. Okay, by default it will open in C Windows System 32. From here you have to go to drivers. From here you go to etc. Here we have to open there will be a file called posts, so we have to use notepad sts. So you can see like there are hash in front of all the information. It means these are commented out previously. We don't need to bother about this. Just what we have to do is this YouTube will be accessing certain IP address, like www.youtube.com will be accessing certain IP address. What we will do is we will redirect that to some local host. So what I am actually doing is like I am making one comment like these lines are added by GH Charan. Charan is my name. Like these comments are just to keep a track that these lines are added by me. So here I will enter like localhost and like localhost is means 127.0.0.1. Here I want to block YouTube. That's why I'm mentioning www.youtube.com. And I also want to block Instagram, so I will include Instagram. So after that we need to save this file. Save. Okay, it's saved. So now we have to close this thing and we have to close this also. Now let's try whether our blocking is actually worked or not. We will simply refresh this page, Instagram. So it is showing it can't be reached. Or even like YouTube, we can see that it will do the buffering and it will load this, but it will never load the content because it is actually the YouTube which we are entering here. This it is not actually reaching the actual YouTube IP. It is just hitting our local host only. In localhost we doesn't have any content, so it is not showing here. Let us open in another tab. Here also you can see it can't connect to actual YouTube. In this way you can simply block any websites from your PC. This method is actually useful for me because during the office hours I try to access this Instagram more times. I even tried some extensions which will block these websites, but often I am trying to unblock it from here itself.